Good morning children. Hope everybody is fine and safe at home. So now we will go for the chapter 2 in maths. The chapter 2, before going for the chapter 2, let us recall what we have studied in the first topic, that is integers. We have done integers in the first topic. So here in the integers, what we have done, the addition of integers, subtraction, multiplication and the division of integers. Then properties of integers, which includes the closed, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, additive, inverse, additive element, and also the word problems word problems including integers. Now we will go for the topic 2 is the fractions and decimals. What is a fraction? A fraction represents a part of a whole. If I am taking it, a circle like this, in this one part, this is the fraction. This part from a whole is a fraction. So here the types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction and the mixed fraction. Proper fraction are the fractions whose denominator is more than the numerator. Improper fractions, the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and the mixed fraction is will have one whole number along with a fraction, or otherwise we can say one integer 2 by 5. One is an whole number or an integer part and 2 by 5 is the fractional part. Other than that, equivalent fractions, how to make it? In a fraction will be divided both the numerator and the denominator by the same number, then it will become a equivalent fractions. Now exercise 2.1, question number 1 is solve. First one is 2 minus 3 by 5. 2 is an whole number, 3 by 5 is a fraction. So we will convert this whole number into a fraction by keeping 1 down, then it will be a fraction. So 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Now LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So we will make this 1 make it as an equal fraction. So 2 by 1 multiplied by 5 by 5, that is equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Then 3 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 1, you will get 3 by 5. Now these two fractions are having the same denominator. So now we will subtract, because in the question it is given subtraction. So 10 minus 3 by 5, 10 minus 3 is 7 by 5. 7 and 5 you can show the division like this, 7 and 5 how many times? 1 time, 1 5s are 5. So now remainder will become 2. So this is the quotient, this one is the remainder and this one is the divisor. So quotient is 1, 2 is the remainder and 5 is the divisor. So how will you read this number is 1 2 by 5. Now question number 2. 4 plus 7 by 8, again one is a whole number, another one is a fraction. So we will change the whole number by keeping 1 into a fraction. So 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. So 4 by 1 multiplied by 8 by 8. So 4 8s are 32 by 8. 7 by 8 multiplied by 1 by 1, it has become 7 by 8. Now 32 plus 7 by 8, that is become 39 by 8. So now 39 by 8, when you divide it, 39 and 8, in 8 table 4 times, 4 8s are 32. So when you subtract, you will be getting 7. So the answer is 4 7 by 8. Now third one is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. So both are the fractions, so we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. We will multiply. 7 5s are 35. So 3 by 5 multiplied by 7 by 7, you will get 3 7s are 21 and 5 7s are 35. 2 by 7 multiplied by 5 by 5, 5 2s are 10 and 7 5s are 35. Now 21 plus 10 divided by 35. 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 by 35. It is a proper fraction. Question number 4, 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Both are the fractions and having the denominator is an unlike one. So you have to make it an equal, you have to find out the LCM. So LCM of 11 and 15. For LCM, we have to make use of only the prime numbers. The prime numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11, okay, etc. Now here we are having the number 11 and 15. So 15 will go in 3 table. How many times? 5 times. 11 will not go in 3 table. So we will keep as it is. The next comes as the 5. 5 in 5 table 1 time, and 11 we will have to keep as it is 11. Then we will go for the 11 table. 11 ones are 11 and 1. So now we have to multiply all these numbers. So 3 into 5 into 11. 5 3s are 15. 15 multiplied by 11 is 165. Now 9 by 11 will be multiplied by 15 by 15. So you will get 135 by 165. Then 4 by 15 multiplied by 11 by 11. So 4 11s are 44 and 15 11s are 165. Now 135 minus 144 divided by 165. Now 5 in the unit place and 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 13 minus 4 will become 9. So the answer is 9 by 165. Now we will go for question number 5. In question number 5 we are having 7 by 10, 2 by 5 and 3 by 2. Here also all the denominators are not equal, they are different. So now we will find out the LCM of. So now LCM of 10, 5 and 2. So now here I am in the rough column will write 10, 5 and 2. 10, 5 and 2, 10 and 5 will go in the 5 table. So I will make use of the 5 table. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, then 2. Now both you are having the 2, so 2 we will take it here. 1 2 1s are 2, 1 and 2 1s are 2. Now what is the LCM will become? We have to multiply 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. So now the LCM we got is 10. Now 7 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 1. So it will become 7 by 10. 2 by 5. 5 by what number you will multiply it by 5? You will be getting 10 as 2. 2 by 2. So it is 2 2s are 4 by 10. The next one is 3 by 2 multiplied by, here you should get 10. So what number you will multiply with the 2? You will get 10 as 5. So both the numerator and denominator with the same number. So 5 3s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. Now we have to add this one. So it will become 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 15 by 10. So that is equal to 7 plus 4 plus 15 by 10. 7 plus 4 will become 11. Okay. Now we will add it this one. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 7 16, 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 26 by 10. So when you simplify again, 26 and 10 can be simplified, both will go in the 2 table. 13 by 5. So that it will become 2 5s are 10 and 3. Now question number 6. 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. These fractions are called as a mixed fraction. So we have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So multiply 2 by 3 and then add with 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. So 8 by 3 plus the same 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now you got a fraction 8 by 3 and 7 by 2. We have to find out the LCM of 3 and 2. We multiply 3 2s are 6 because 6 is divisible by, in 3 table also 6 is there, in 2 table also 6 is there. In 2 table 3 times and 3 table it is 2 times. So LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Now 8 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 2, that is equal to 8 2s are 16 by 6. Now 7 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 3, 7 3s are 21 by 6. Now 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6, 16 and 21 it will become 37 by 6. So in 6 table it is 37, it will become 37, it will become it how many times? In 6 table 6 times, 6 6 are 36. So remainder you will get it 1. So 6 1 by 6, 6 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder and 6 is the divisor which we are getting down, that is the divisor. Now question number 7. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. So convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 17 by 2 minus 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 5 is 29 by 8. Now LCM of 2 and 8, in 2 table it is 1 time and 4 is and 8 is of 4 times, again in 2 table 1 and 4 in 2 table is 2 times. Then again 2, 1 and 1. So, LCM is 8. So, now LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. 17 by 2 multiplied by 4 by 4. 17 4s are 68 and 4 2s are 8. 29 by 8 multiplied by 1 by 1 will get 29 by 8. So, 68 minus 29 by 8. So, that will become from 8 9 won't go. So, we have to borrow. So, 68 29 minus. This will become 18 and this will become 5. 18 minus 9 9. 5 minus 2 3. So, 39 by 8. 39 by 8, when you are, it is in the 8 table 39, it is of 4 times, 8 4s are 32 and the remainder you are having 7. So, the answer is 4 7 by 8.